Ever wondered what the difference is between the drill and the impact driver? They look very similar, especially if you've got DeWALT set like this, but they both do completely different jobs, so let's break it down. First, let's take a look at the drill or the drill driver. This is your versatile tool. It spins continuously and works with an adjustable clutch here around the collar, and you can control how much torque is applied with this clutch. That makes perfect for drilling clean holes and driving screws when you need finesse, like furniture assembly or working with softer wood. So you can turn it right down and you won't have as much torque here at the end of the tool when you're dealing with softer wood. Now for the impact driver, instead of just spinning, it adds a hammer action inside this body here. When resistance builds up on the end here, it delivers bursts of rotational force. That means it can drive long screws, lag bolts or tough fasteners into dense material without bogging down and without twisting your wrist. So this kicks in all the mechanisms inside and it helps drive screws deep into tough wood. So what are the pros and cons between the two? The drill is versatile, precise and works with lots of bit types, but it can stall out on heavy jobs. So if you've got heavy material, things like that, it may struggle. The impact driver is compact, powerful and fast for repetitive fastening, but not great for drilling holes, and you'll need an impact rated hex bit. So you'll need bits with a connection like this, otherwise it won't work in the impact driver. You can get an adapter, however that's for another video. When should you use each? Use a drill for drilling holes and for delicate or precise work. Use an impact driver for driving lots of screws, long fasteners or removing stuck bolts. If you do a lot of building, framing or decking, the impact driver will save your wrist and a ton of time. But if you're starting out and need an all-round tool, the drill is a more flexible option. So in short, the drill is your Swiss Army knife, the impact driver is your muscle, and you'll want both in your toolbox. And you'll find links for both of these in the description below. Thanks for watching. If it helps you out, hit the like and subscribe for more quick tool breakdowns.